Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to connect your JBL Bar 1300 soundbar to your television. First, make sure your soundbar and TV are powered off. Take the HDMI cable that came with your soundbar. On the back of the soundbar you will see a port labeled HDMI out TV eARC or HDMI out TV ARC. On your TV find the HDMI port labeled ARC or eARC. Now connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out TV eARC or ARC port on your soundbar. Then connect the other end to the HDMI ARC or eARC port on your TV. Once the cable is connected, power on your TV and your soundbar. With HDMI connected and settings enabled, your soundbar should play the TV audio. If your TV does not have an HDMI ARC or eARC port, you can also use a digital optical cable. Find the optical audio out port on the back of your TV. Then take an optical cable and connect it from the TV's optical out to the soundbar's optical input. Power on both devices and select the optical input on the soundbar if needed. The sound will come through the optical connection, but some advanced formats like Dolby Atmos may not be supported. Thanks for watching.